Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. Today we're looking at the Fit King air compression therapy device. 10 professional massage techniques, faster muscle recovery, all those types of things, relieving fatigue and pain, and improving body circulation. So you see a little bit here about it's Velcro. You put it together and it pumps air into the channels, and so far I'm liking it pretty good. You'll see that I've got it all hooked up here, and I have Restless Legs Syndrome. Restless Legs Syndrome. I sort of get tired of, drinking tonic water, and there's some tablets you can buy for Restless Leg Syndrome. They work pretty good as well, but I'm trying the Fit King out. Sometimes if I've worked out in the yard, taken a walk, taken a bike ride, something like that, it seems like my legs do not want to relax. It's just they want to twitch, and you want to fiddle with them all night long. So that's called Restless Leg Syndrome. Various opportunities here to change how the thickness of it, the pressure, the air pressure modes, whether you want it minimum, mid, max. Actually got it on minimum right now. But once you get it put together, it is going to take up a little bit of space. There's a nice little bag that it goes in, so you can take it with you on trips and what have you. So there you have it, folks. You can kind of see a little bit about the specs there, the usage of it, and that sort of thing. So far, so good. I did get it as a gift, and from my wife, who probably gets tired of me twitching my legs in bed at night. So there you have it, the Fit King air compression therapy device to help you massage your legs. It kind of will massage your thigh. It'll massage your calf area here in the front. It'll massage your foot and things down here as well. So maybe I will do a follow-up, or maybe I will, give you another hint later down the road on Rod's Random Reviews. I promised you very random reviews, and there you have it, folks. And again, my wife, I'm sure, probably purchased this on Amazon, but you can probably purchase it directly from Fit King. So there you have it. They're going in and out, one area at a time. Both thighs are going at the same time now, then both calves, then both feet, and then it'll work its way back up. So after about 15, 20, 25 minutes, your legs feel like you've had hands on them, massaging them for that period of time. And we all know how we feel much better after a nice massage. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Please subscribe and like for unedited, unfiltered, undoctored, and all those things. Rod's Random Reviews. Bye now.